How to convert Lazada Pay Later to Gcash 25 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you cannot directly convert Lazada Pay Later credit into cash. Gcash calls Lazada Pay Later is designed for purchases within the Lazada platform, and its credit cannot be directly withdrawn or transferred to external e-wallets like Gcash. So there is a workaround. Let me just tell you why it's not possible. Lazada Pay Later credit is specifically for buying items on Lazada. It's not cash or e-wallet balance, and Lazada does not offer a direct feature to transfer pay later credit to Gcash. So you can do like shop on Lazada. You can use your shop Lazada pay later credit to purchase items you need on Lazada platform. And if you want to use Gcash for Lazada, you can link your Gcash account to your Lazada account and use it as a payment method. And you can pay your Lazada Pay Later bills using Gcash as a payment option. And some users explore workarounds like buying digital products or gift cards from third-party sellers on Lazada using Pay Later and then reselling them or using them elsewhere. This method is not officially supported by Lazada and may involve additional risks. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.